Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to redeem your Zaggle gift card online. If you've got a Zaggle gift card and you'd like to redeem it right away, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go ahead and open up your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.zaggle.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Zaggle.com, which looks like this. Go and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, entering your credentials correct, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go to the top right hand corner from the home page and click on the human icon. Now from the expanded menu at the right hand side, click on My Account. Under My Account, you'll be able to see an option that says Redeem a Gift Card right under the gift card / account balance option. Click it on in order to bring up a text box. Now enter your gift card code in the text field, make sure to type it correct, and finally click on the Go button and you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Zaggle. Any remaining balance on your gift card will be stored in your Zaggle gift card account to make future purchases easier. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.